So hello students, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. Are you preparing for RBI Grade B examination and only RBI Grade B examination? In that case, there is a good chance that you are having a concern in your mind. That being, what if I'm not able to crack this year's examination? This problem get even bigger when you don't have a plan B. Then what happens? Students say ki, okay, I don't want to use another year of my life in preparation. I'm okay if there's another government job comparable to RBI. I also want to prepare for that, but I don't want ki my primary focus, my primary goal of RBI is getting disturbed, or the other exam, my plan B is coming in the way of my plan A. So let me tell you guys, yes, there is a way to remove your anxiety, your concern that you are having, your valid questions that you are having, and we will talk about that. But before that, let's talk about the initiative taken by EduTap for all the aspirants. So if you are preparing for RBI manager examination and you have a set of queries like what does RBI do? What will be your role if you join the RBI? So you will get the answer of all these queries in this one guidebook that you can see on your screen as well as in my hand. Now let's say you know about the exam but you have queries related to the examination. How many phases are there? What is the syllabus? What will be the pattern for examination? So you will get the answer of all these queries in this guidebook again. And if you want to even know the cutoff of the previous year, you will get that in this one guidebook. Now let's say you know about the examination, you don't have a strategy. So we are having the book, this guidebook, not only for SBI, sorry, not only for RBI but also for NABARD. So these guidebook will help you to crack your examination. These will not only tell you about the organization that you are preparing, not only about the syllabus and the examination that you are preparing for, but these guidebook will help you with the 6-step strategy as well as definite sources that will help you crack your respective examination. So what are you waiting for to download this ultimate guidebook? What you will have to do? You will have to go in the description box, check out the link, register yourself and download yourself this absolutely free 30-page comprehensive, beautifully prepared ultimate guidebook. So guys, this was about the guidebook. Let's talk about your concern. So your concern is, what if I missed this year's RBI? What are the other exams? What should be my plan B? How can I prepare better? So let me tell you, there is one exam that can turn this unhappy and anxious phase to a happy and confident phase. So this exam I'm talking about is NABARD Grade A examination. So why I say कि when I talk about RBI, the best exam, the best complementary exam for to give with the RBI is NABARD. So let's talk about it. So there are basically 3 points that you need to understand. That being, first of all, if you are preparing for RBI, you have some expectations in terms of salary, in terms of work-life balance, in terms of the other perk you are getting. Similarly, what you can do, the NABARD is having almost same salary, same annual package. They are having same kind of perk. Work-life balance is kind of similar. So you are getting what you are expecting out of both RBI and NABARD. Now, the other thing is 80% syllabus for those examinations for both NABARD and RBI is same. Then the best and the third point is, even if, see what happened in RBI, the competition is way too high. There is the success rate in that case is very narrow. But in NABARD, the competition is low because basically the people who are appearing for exam are very less. So that is why it is, since there are 5 times less candidate to appear for NABARD examination, the competition is 5 times easier. Given ki you have prepared well for your examination. Alright, so let's talk about the first point first of all. I know whenever we are preparing for any government body examination, besides job security, we also have some expectations like salary, that being the biggest one. Alright, so let's talk about that. So if I talk about the salary, so you can see in RBI grade B officer, that is the position of the manager. You will have the CTC of 24 lakh per annum minimum. Alright, it can go up according to the place you are posted. But here again, the perks you are getting will be HRA, medical, furniture, fuel. So you will be getting other allowances along with these. Similarly, when I talk about NABARD examination, you can see here that the CTC goes up to the 20 lakh per annum. and this will be the position of assistant manager. Surely you will get promoted to the managerial position soon, but then allowances are same, perks are same. When I talk about the NABARD manager, NABARD assistant manager and RBI manager. All right, so that is why these two jobs are very comparable. So whatever expectation you are having out of the RBI, you can expect the same thing from NABARD. So that is why the first point is clarified ki, okay, when I talk from my side, from the student side, why he should prepare for RBI and NABARD. If you want plan B for RBI, he can go for NABARD. Why is the similar reason? Because expect whatever you are expecting, your expectation will get fulfilled in both the posts. Now the second point when I talk about, see, the biggest hurdle or the biggest thing, these are your expectation you are having in front of you. Between your expectation and actually achieving that expectation, we have a big hurdle of exam. Exam कैसे crack होगा when you have covered all the syllabus. So when I talk about the syllabus, I know your primary goal is RBI. So you don't want कि I get distracted too much from that goal. So what you can do here, you can see when I compare the syllabus for RBI and NABARD, you can see for RBI grade B, we have first of all quants, we have reasoning, we have English, and then we have general awareness. This will be your phase 1. Similarly, when I talk about NABARD, although the subjects are more, but marks and jitne 20 marks hai and the time allotted for those, that will be same for both NABARD. 120 minutes you will get for both NABARD and RBI. All right. So here you can see, although the subjects will be more, there will be 8 subjects. But quants, reasoning, English, general awareness, these will remain same. Beside that, when I talk about the merit list, so first of all, general awareness will be there in the merit section that you will have to do for both RBI and NABARD. Then ESI, यहाँ भी ESI आता है phase 2 में. So you can see economic and social issues you are getting here. Economic and social issues we have in NABARD, लेकिन दोनों phases में. All right. So these are the subject that you will have to prepare. Beside, there is decision making and ART in phase 1 as well. Okay, so phase 1 mein we have 8 subjects. Here we have only 4 subjects. If I talk about phase 2, so we have descriptive English, ESI and FM. If I talk about the phase 2 of NABARD, we have 2 papers. So first of all, descriptive English we have. Then we also have ARD ESI ka combined paper. Okay, so these make paper 2. Then we have interview for both the examination. So you can see whatever is highlighted here, that being in RBI side we have FM. When I talk about NABARD side, we have decision making, computer knowledge and ARD. अब इसमें से भी to make things easy for you, since your primary goal is RBI, so what you can do, you can focus on these subject, prepare them well. So आपकी FM हो जाती है वहीं से, you don't have to worry about that. FM हो गई है. Now let's come to, you have appeared, you have sit in the examination, now you have time what you should do. So we have NABARD Grade A examination. So you can see here, decision making and computer knowledge and ARC. These are the 3 subjects you will have to prepare extra for NABARD examination. So you can do that parallelly. If you want the strategy ki how we should prepare these two, similarly at the same time simultaneously we should prepare for these 2 examination. We will talk about that. But for now, let's focus on why NABARD is better. For now, we will focus on that. In future, we will talk about how we can do. Or Ritika ma'am had made a video on how you should prepare for both these 2 examinations at the same time. So you can go check that out. All right. So here you can see decision making and computer knowledge is there in phase 1. But let me tell you guys, the good thing is these 2 subjects are non-merit or qualifying subjects. That means the minimum cutoff, that only you will have to cross. The marks will not be added in your merit list. Alright, the merit subject mein we only have general awareness, ESI, ARD. So decision making and computer knowledge we have. Usme bhi very basic syllabus for these 2 is there. The question you can go check the PYQs. Very basic PYQ questions are there. And decision making is only worth 10 marks. Computer knowledge is worth 20 marks. अगेन दोनों क्या है, क्वालिफाइंग है, तो कट ऑफ बहुत ज्यादा नहीं जाती है. समटाइम इवन 2 or 3 मार्क्स आर देयर फॉर डिसीजन मेकिंग. कंप्यूटर के लिए यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट 5-6 मार्क्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो आई थिंक यू कैन प्रिपेयर दैट वेल. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर आरबीआई, यू हैव दैट इन यू. इसके लिए कर सकते हो. इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू अचीव आरबीआई, यू हैव, यू डोंट नीड टू टेक डाउट कि मैं कर लूंगा कि नहीं, है वो तुम्हें. ऑलराइट. When I talk about ARD, अब ये जो section है, this becomes important for your NABARD examination. And if you're preparing for RBI, I know कि ARD feels like this is a very vast subject. I have agriculture, I have rural development. How I will do that? But let me tell you guys, ARD may be what you will have to do. You will have to cover the agriculture portion first. So when I talk about agriculture portion, see in ARD we have ARD current affair, ARD ka static. ARD ka current affair is very easy and the weightage is very less. But when I talk about ARD ka static, this will come in your pre, this will come in your mains. So what you can do, you don't have to open a pure agriculture book. What you can do, the questions that are there are again very factual, very direct. They will give you a definition and ask you the term, or they will give you a term and ask you for the meaning of the term. So there are like you can say out of 40 question we have, let's say there are 10 questions from the current. All right, although 6 to 8 is the range, but let me take it to extreme and say okay, there are 30 questions from static, 10 questions from the current. So then if I focus on the 30 question, उस 30 में भी you will see कि 25 questions are very basic and very factual. Definition पूछी हुई है, diseases, the symptoms has been given to you, and they ask okay which element caused the disease. तो मतलब very factual. जो chapter खोलते ही the first thing you will feel like कि these are important. ऐसा paper आता है. It is not like they go in the depth and ask you कि okay this variety was released, which plant this is belong to. These kind of questions are not there. All right, so you can easily prepare for ARD, and pre and mains का syllabus same है, तो tension लेने वाला कुछ है ही नहीं. If you prepare it once, you are good to go for pre and main both. All right. So this should be your strategy. This should be the exam you should prepare for if you are primarily taking RBI, but you also need a plan B. Okay, a safety net kind of thing. So your safety net will be NABARD Grade A examination. Alright, so I hope this video solves your concern कि कौन सा एग्जाम करूँ RBI के साथ साथ, and you will be able to save a year of your life. But I hope first of all you will be able to crack RBI, and you are working on that. So thank you so much for attending the video. If you're new here, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any query, you can go check our website. You can also call us, contact us, and also in our channel, what we do, we upload the content related to the subject. So if you want the PDF of those, you can go join our Telegram channel as well. So thank you so much, and I hope you will have a nice day.